Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Vishwesh and today we're making this bullet a smooth sailor for the monsoon season. So guys, lubing and cleaning the chain of your motorcycle is a vital aspect of motorcycling. Not only it keeps the life of the sprockets and the chain intact and make them long lasting, but it also makes your ride a bit more efficient, smoother and definitely jerk free. So the problem that arises is that which lube and clean kit is actually best for you, because the market is flooded with a lot of products. Some of them are really good while some of them are a sheer waste of money. So one product that I have with me today is from a brand called TRM Calidad. These guys are based out of, you guessed it right, the God's own country, Kerala itself, and they are in collaboration with a brand called Mosil. Mosil has over 50 years of experience in manufacturing lubes, especially for high, machinery chains, for high duty chains and high duty machineries. So they were the first to even introduce the synthetic lubes in India, and we all know the history of how good the synthetic lubes are when it comes to efficiency. So they are in collaboration with them. They manufacture and they provide the formula. So the TRM is the formula maker, Mosil is the manufacturer for that formula, and TRM Calidad has a lot of plethora of products in the market, such as anti-rust and chain lube, chain cleaner, and high temperature resistant paints and all those other stuff. So they were very generous enough to send over a kit for me for review. So that's, I guess, enough for a disclaimer that I have not purchased these. They are for review purposes strictly. So today I'm going to be using them and showing you how to lube and clean the chain, and then I'll be talking about if these things are worth your money or not. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is the chain on my classic 350 and it's a bit dirty because the last time I lubed and cleaned it was around 2 months back, and since I have not been riding it much, but it is the monsoon season, so you can see that it's a bit dirty right now. So what I'm going to be doing today is that I'll be using these two cans. This is from TRM Calidad, the chain cleaner and the chain lube, and these are 150 ml bottles. I'm going to be using these, and as well as that I'm going to be using this brush. In case you don't have this brush, you can easily use some lint free cotton cloth. So I've already made a detailed video on how you can lube and clean your chain, so in case you want to do that, you can follow the I link coming right over here, so you can just watch that video. So without any further delay, let's just get down and just clean this chain, and then we'll talk further. So guys, as you can see, the chain has been nicely cleaned. Now I'm gonna, like I always suggest, that you should give the chain few minutes to sit, and before we start with the lubing process. So I'm just gonna take this opportunity to tell you that the cleaner from TRM Calidad is actually mixed with a little bit of lubricant as well. So in case you don't have the time or the duty call or something, you can just take out your bike right now for a ride and come back home, because this thing is rated for 100 kilometers of usage without the need of any lubrication. So that's a great thing that they have added into their cleaner. Not many brands do that, so definitely some brownie points to TRM Calidad for that. So I think it has sat well for a while. I think I should start with the lubrication process now. Shall we? So guys, as you saw, cleaning and lubing the chain is quite easy, and the cleaner does a really good job, because not only it cleans the chain well, but as I mentioned, that it has a bit of lubricant built into it, so that's a plus point, because no other cleaner in the market today has that capacity. WD-40 is not a cleaner, so don't compare it with that. It will damage the O-rings. This won't, and it will provide slight lubrication, so which is a good thing. The clean and the lube, on the other hand, is great. I mean, it is clear, so it doesn't make your chain dirty on its own. So the only thing that will make your chain dirty are the foreign elements. They both are great. The 150 ml bottles that I have in my hand are priced at around 360 rupees, and the bigger ones, that are the 500 ml ones, will cost you somewhere around 1100. So you can buy them directly from the website of TRM Calidad itself. I'll put the link in the description below, so you can follow that, or you can contact me if you just want these products. As for the performance part, I am highly impressed, because these are highly resistant to water. I mean, these guys are based out of Kerala. That place is humid, so they know the need. So they claim that 500 kilometers in humid, wet conditions of monsoon, in case you're going off-roading and all of that stuff, and 1000 kilometers in dry conditions. I mean, that's a tall number. Even if I half that to 500 in dry conditions and 250 in wet conditions, then also it's the ideal number and the best that you can expect. So I'm highly impressed by these people. The pricing is great, the products are great, and they have a good catalog as well. So you can definitely buy these for yourself if you're looking for something that is not priced too much but is offering you the performance that you need. So do tell me which kit you guys are using. The comment section is as usual open. What do you think about these? If you have used them, if you want to use them, if you want some improvements, do let me know. So guys, that was all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to the channel. As for following me on social media, you can follow me here as well as here. And till the next time, take care of yourself. Peace.